Hi, Stu from Tarp Leisure here, and I'm going to show you how to put up a tarp using trekking poles. So, we found a place that might be okay to put a tarp up. There's not loads of room, but we'll see how we get on. First of all, get the pack off. Using my cool clips, take the poles off, put them on the ground. So I'm going to peg my tarp to the ground so it can't blow away. Discussed that before in a previous video. And I'm just going to undo all these guy lines. Okay, so we've got the basics of our tarp laid out now. So we're going to tighten some of these guy lines, then we're going to put the poles in. So the pole's at its shortest length at the minute. So most tarps on them have a ring or a loop of fabric to put a stick or a walking pole in this case in. So you take your walking pole, you turn it upside down, the handle goes to the ground and the tip in this case goes through this little ring here. There we go. Now we've got a good basic shape for the tarp. We can make it a little bit tighter, give us a bit more room by popping the poles upwards. Right, there we go. Now we've got a nice comfortable shelter out from the rain, bit of wind coverage. You could make the sides lower to the ground if you want to keep all the wind out. You could, you know, we've got quite a bit of, I think it's a pretty good shape we've got here. Nice place to be out of the wind. So why don't you come on in and we can sit back and enjoy that view.